Today we'll be telling the story of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. One day, King Nebuchadnezzar made an idol. It was 60 cubits high and 6 cubits wide. The king asked all of his servants to come. He wanted everybody to glorify this idol. And from everybody that came, it also included Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. The king declared everybody to bow down to this idol. He says that when the music starts, everyone must bow down. If somebody does not want to, they will be thrown into the furnace. So the trumpets were on and the music came on. And everybody that was there bowed down. But then some astrologers came up to King Nebuchadnezzar. They said that everybody must bow down to the idol, right? And the king said yes. But the astrologer said that there are some Jews that are not bowing down. It is Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They refused to bow down to the idol. And the king was very furious. He went to Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. He told them, well, how come you guys aren't bowing down to the idol? They said that they only bow down to one God. And the king said, I will have to throw you in the furnace. And they said, our God will save us from the fire. And even though he does not save us, we will still not bow down to the idol. And this made the king mad. So he told his soldiers to tie them up. And told them to get the furnace ready. He wanted the furnace to burn 7 times than its original. And while the soldiers were putting the fire, it was so hot that some of them died. So they put Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego in the fire. And they were watching them in the fire. And the king saw that there were not 3 but 4 people in the fire. And people saw that nothing was harming them. So the king called them to come out. And Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego came out unharmed. The king said that it looks like an angel. And the king asked them to come out. And so they came out with nothing harmed. And the king was very amazed. He said, "Praise be your God, for he has saved you from the fire." So the king declared, anybody who says bad things about Shadrach, and the lesson that we can learn today is to always trust in the Lord, never depend on our own faith. And the second thing that we can do is not go with what the world just because a lot of people are doing and the third lesson we can learn is while doing God's work, there will be many temptations, and it won't be very easy. But it is always right to trust in the Lord. And the verse of today is Psalm 62, verse 6. Trust in Him at all times, always. Pour out your heart before Him. God is refuge for us.